Matchbox car, huh?
That's what I'm guessing.
Let's see. Did he say he put it in there? The kid?
No, they've been both denied
They denied anything?
everything. Yeah.
But it won't go down.
No one admits to anything. So,
I mean, if I can't get it out with the snake, I'll have to pull the toilet, but let's... There it goes. Going all the way through, so that's a good sign. Sometimes when I get it to loosen up, you know, and get it to go down. The true test is put some paper in there, right? If there's something stuck in there, the paper will fetch up and it won't flush a second time.
okay.
That's a test. Does the thing fill up? Yeah. Let it fill and we'll flush it. We'll flush it a second time. If there's something stuck in there, the paper will get caught on it.
Yeah.
And then it won't flush. Sometimes you can loosen it up and how long's it been blocked? A while?
Sure. Right after
Let's say it was like a hard shit in there, like a brick shit house. Never heard of a brick shit house? Yeah.
All I know is the damn thing got clogged and I couldn't fix it. Jeepers. And they don't admit to anything. But I know the two of them.
A brick shit house. I like that.
A brick shit house.
I just made that up. Look at that. Yeehaw.
You think it's clear?
I might have got it. I got that big snake to go down in there, so that's a good sign. Usually, if I can't get the snake to go down,
Yeah.
there's definitely something stuck in there.
Well, tell them, hey, take a poop and see what happens.
Well, no, right now, if there's something stuck in there, see this paper I'm putting in there?
Yeah.
It would go down and the paper would get caught on whatever's in there, and then it won't flush the second time. So as long as it's going down, we got to clear. Let it fill, and we'll try it again.
Okay.
It's full with a lot of paper there. Yeah.
No
You got lucky.
No pun intended. No shit.
Okay? That was an easy one.
Thank you, Steve.
Went down there.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have this whole place